Ganito pala sa dulugon.
Bayad, kuya. Keep the change.
Day, dahon na yung gibayad, day.
Check kasi mong bagay, basi madonggaban, tas wala sa oras.
Grabe, kuya. Criminal abdiki kung naong sa imo, ha?
Goodness gracious, unsa may sus yung bagang?
Kuya, that's a lifestyle of an eco-friendly, nature-lover god. Fact check, kuya. People around the world throw the trash everywhere and I get so frustrated. So many trash around and everywhere. Bye, kuya.
Ha? Unsa daw?
Kahit hindi mo basura, pulutin mo at itapon sa tamang lalagyan. Maliit na bagay pero malaking tulong sa kalikasan. Huwag mo na pakialaman yan. Hindi mo naman basura yan. Hayaan mo na lang at malis ka na.
Ngi? Brazilian dance?
Jasmine, ilang basura sa tingin mo ang natatapon araw-araw? 61,700 tons po, ma'am. Size bigang, no? Oh my gosh, I love your hair clip. Where did you get it? It's actually DIY. I first gathered fuzzy wires and shaped them into flower petals. Then I arranged the petals to form a flower and twisted them together to keep them in place. After that, I attached the finished flower to a plain hair clip using strong glue. Once the glue dried, my fuzzy DIY flower hair clip was finished. This simple project shows that we can turn ordinary or leftover materials into something useful and beautiful, making it fun and environmentally friendly activity. Hey there! Did you know every single day Philippines generate tons of waste? More than 61,700 tons of waste. Imagine that. Thousands of garbage in just one day. Now imagine that if it happens, much of the waste ends up in our river, streets, and ocean instead of the proper bin.
It may seem like isang basura lamang, but when millions of people think the same way, the result is devastating. Clogged drainage systems can lead to flooding, polluted rivers, and harm marine life. Burning waste pollutes the air we breathe, and piles of garbage can spread diseases.
The good news? We don't have to wait for someone else to solve the problem. Sustainable development starts with us. With the simple choices we make every day.
But we can lessen it by making simple choices every day.
We can lessen it by throwing our trash in the proper bin instead of littering. By using eco bags and lunch boxes instead of single-use plastics.
By segregating our waste. By turning recyclable materials into something new and cheap. By saving water and electricity whenever possible. By planting trees and taking care of the environment around us.
Most importantly, we can lessen it by encouraging others to do the same. Kaya, tara na!
Remember, protecting the environment doesn't require one person doing everything perfectly. It requires millions of people doing small things consistently. Every bottle reused, every piece of trash picked up, and every tree planted brings us one closer to a cleaner, greener, and more sustainable future. Ang pagbabago ay nagsisimula sa atin, sa'yo at sa ating lahat, because there is no planet